Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set your custom icon in Realme phone. Okay, so you can easily arrange your apps in Realme. Okay, so how you can do it, follow me step by step, then you will learn. So firstly we need to go settings. So go to settings, and here you can see settings, click here, and scrolling down then you can find uh, yes, you can find home screen and magazine. Click here, then again scrolling down, and here you can see the set icon style. Okay, click here, then here the option you can customize your app icon easily. So firstly here is default. Okay, so go to material style, then you can see this is the change the icon. Okay, so then you can see what the visualize here now. And people, this is the another circle, look like circle but not a complete circle. So change according to your expectation. So if you don't need any among them, then go to custom. So click here, and here is option you can easily customize your app. So here few option. Okay, this is good. Okay, this one is also good, and this is also good. But if you don't need above them, then you can change according to you. So here you can see, then foreground icon is small and big, and icon usually is small and big. So okay, it's depend on you. Then after finishing your customized app, then simply click apply, then your apps will be changed. Okay, so guys, I hope you got useful video from this tutorial. So please make sure subscribe my channel, because I will provide you best tutorial later. So thank you, bye bye.